Today we'll talk about how can you enable splits on your web app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on menu down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go here above settings, you click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on chart settings here, just click on it. You come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you just keep going down. You click here on correct actions display. You come to next step here. You come here to splits. Click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that means splits enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.